since now the joyful Eastertide renews and comes, clothed in leaf and flower wide. I'll sing forthwith. For likewise has my every thought in perfect joy been newly wrought, because my overmastering will, which takes no pleasure, cheap or ill, has found according to its bent a lady of heart and of intent, both proud and humble at her will, of gentle bearing and genteel. To love with honor makes me yearn my noble heart unceasingly, without reproach, and in its turn from others' folly and from me.
For never did beauty give me delight, nor high birth, nor wealth, nor might, if sense and wisdom were not there, that make one do and speak what's fair, and keep from fault and failing free.
The lady and he who sets his thought on her,
and my heart is of such sovereign will that to no other love I cling. But he who would test of a lover's heart loves truly and well. Let him guard his sense and his worth apart, and how he bears himself. For if he is well enamored, his deeds and words and company offered will be richer than duty's claim. For love is nothing else but pleasure's flame, and every fine and courtly act from loyal loving draws its fact. But I find not one in 1,000 still,
not one in 1,000,
who in his deeds does not play false and ill. Whoever wants to learn of love must love, I say, for never from a teacher above will he learn the way. For perfect love, know this for true, is nothing else but the will that grew, which sight brings deep into the heart, where fair pleasure keeps it from the start, and it lives on sweet musing and intent. So each man loves and sets his bent, in high place or in low and subtle, according as his heart is rich or vile. But such is the perfect worth and grace of her who sustains my life. She believes no flatterer's lying face, nor false words as I believe, nor strife. For her noble, rich and prized person, fulfilled with every beauty known, knows lies from truth with open eyes, so she fears not to do what's wise. For with sense she weighs and takes and leaves, and judges so loyally none grieves, that a palace she counts as a peasant still, if none there does what befits her will. Nor do I seek further to attain land or barren or earthly reign. All other deeds seem vile to me, so gentle do her own deeds be.